In this video, we are going to be analysing Meta. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels if we continue this downward move, because we are already down 8% on the day. And at one level I do want to note as a heavy layer of support is quite far from where we are now. But if markets do continue down and Meta follows it, really that key level is going to be around $110, $109, because this chart here is a since IPO chart. So really these levels are the strongest levels you can get when using standard deviations. So really if we come down to this 110, we would expect some sort of a strong bounce and definitely something that we can look to play long bias. But coming into a more closer ranges and other levels that we can be paying attention to, if this downtrend continues, we're looking at $133 and $128, because these are both our statistical means on the 6-month and the 1-year chart. Now, if we break that, then yes, we would be coming into that key support level that we said is around $109, $110, which is our support level from that since IPO chart. Now, if we continue even lower below that though, then we would be looking at $80, $56, and then final levels taking us to $28. Obviously, a lot of these levels are very far off, and really the key focus would be if we break this 52-week low, which is looking most likely, that will be some sort of a layer of support around that 153, 52-week low, and obviously that $150 psychological level. But really, if we break these layers of support, then we would be looking at a 133 and a 128 as a bounce location. But if we continue down, really that key level and our main focus is going to be this 110, because again, since IPO chart, that level is going to be very strong. Now, on the other hand, if we start increasing in price, what are going to be resistance levels on Meta? And as of right now, our closest resistance is $185, taking us to $200, then $238, $275, and then final levels taking us to $290, $345, and a final level at $420. So again, these are key levels whether you're looking at the upside or downside. We don't usually pick a bias on a stock, because whatever your plan is on the trade, we just like to give you key levels whether you're trying to look at the stock short or long bias. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here on Peloton.